Welcome to Musical Memory. This advanced memory and cognitive recognition test is designed to stimulate several segments of the brain, allowing us to see how quickly and efficiently your brain works. A sequence of colors will be shown, and you must recreate the exact sequence using the buttons around you. Bunzo will slowly lower towards you. When you complete a color pattern correctly, Bunzo will rise back up. When you input a pattern incorrectly, Bunzo will lower towards you faster. If Bunzo reaches you, your test is over. The test will become more difficult as it continues, with longer patterns in quicker succession. That's all. Good luck.
Isn't it amazing? Mommy hasn't seen the place up and running in years. Mommy can only imagine how excited Bunzo must be. It's been such a long time since he's been able to play, to cheer, to eat. Oh, that's the dinner bell. Good luck.
Blue, green, blue, green, blue, blue, green, blue, yellow, blue, green, blue, yellow, yellow. Round 2. Yellow. Yellow, red. Yellow, red, green. Yellow, red, green, red. Yellow, red, green, red, yellow. Yellow, red, green, red, yellow, violet. Round 3. Yellow. Yellow, orange. Yellow, orange, white. Yellow, orange, white, blue. Yellow, orange, white, blue, green. Yellow, orange, white, blue, green, blue. Round 4. Blue. Blue J. Blue J heart. Blue J heart question mark. Blue J heart question Y. Blue J heart question Y red. Round 5. Yellow question yellow Y violet J 12 smiley face yellow heart 12 yellow neck Y J orange white yellow red smiley face yellow.
It broke. That's no fun. For doing such a splendid job, Mommy has decided to give you part of the code for the train. Look up. Mommy was hoping the game could last a little longer. It's okay, though. Mommy knows other ways to play with you.
Wanna hear a dino joke? Click once for the question. Click again for the punchline. What do you call a dino with one eye? Do you think he saw us? What do you call a dinosaur who's a noisy sleeper? A Tyrannosaurus! What do you call the scariest dinosaur? Me! Wanna hear a dino joke? Click once for the question. Click again for the punchline.
permission to be this smart. Mommy is super proud of you, but I'm sure she's already told you that herself. Our next game is Waggo Wuggy. Head downstairs and have fun.
Preparing for departure in 3,